Malo soifua, when you break down the terms that use the word any, as in any time, any place, anywhere, anything, we're actually saying any a time, any a place, any a thing. So in Samoan, we form these terms with any a or so'ose, and then our keyword comes after that. The so'o is saying any, and the se limits the noun to a singular, non-specific thing. Who's allowed to enter? Any a one, or anyone. What time should I arrive? Any a time, or any time. Oae mawhai o na ulufale iai, so'ose tasi. Oale teimi mawhai o na osawai, so'ose teimi. If you look at these phrases, they're actually complete noun phrases that begin with so'o, or setemi, or a time. So'o setemi, anytime. Practice using so'o in your Samoan vocabulary.